Whenever you feel you have a chance to procrastinate, do it now. Kadalasan kasi sa atin, pagka meron tayong gustong gawin or dapat gawin, that was the time that andun pa yung natitrigger po tayo, tinutuso tayo na huwag natin gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. Mas tinutukso tayo na ipagpaliban na lang yung mga bagay na dapat natin gawin. But the moment that we feel those kind of feeling, those thoughts na pumapasok sa isip natin, ayaw tayong tigilan, that was the time that you should really do whatever you want to do. Do it now. Don't have that second thoughts of not doing it because maybe that is the breakthrough that you need in your life. Pero kung hindi mo ginawa, sayang, you miss the opportunity. Especially if gusto mo magnegosyo pero sinasabi sa'yo ng isip mo, wag, paano pag nag-fail ka? Wag kasi hindi mo pa kaya, wag kasi hindi ka pa handa, wag kasi hindi pa enough yung funds mo, wag kasi hindi enough yung connection mo. So ang daming considerations kapag ganun na yung naisip mo at yung sinasabi ng mga tao sa'yo. That was the time that should you really do it, especially kapag pag yung gagawin mo is something add value to yourself, regardless of what it is, regardless if there's a lot of negative things na nagko-control o nag-hold you back sa'yo para huwag gawin yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. Paglabanan mo, kaya mo yan. Kung yun ang other side na iniisip mo, may negative thoughts, you have to fight for it. Lalo na kapag patungkol sa pangarap mo yan. And you have to break that emotions, you have to break that thoughts. And you have to be brave because that is for your goal, that is for your dream, and that is the thing that you need to do para mag-move forward ka, para magkaroon ka ng production. You have to break the chain. Huwag mo hayaan na kung ano yung nangyayari for the rest of your life, paulit-ulit na gano'n. So you have to do something, kasi if you can't do it right now, how about your future? Kasi still the same. Yun pa rin yung mangyayari sa future mo if you can't handle that.